In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export just audio in Davinci Resolve. Whether you're sharing a podcast episode, sending a music mix, or exporting a clean voiceover from your edit, this workflow keeps things simple and precise. Start by launching Davinci Resolve from your desktop. Open an existing project or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Make sure the timeline you're working with contains the audio you want to export and that it sounds the way you intend, because whatever you hear on the timeline is what will be included in the final file. Next, head to the Deliver page by clicking the rocket ship icon at the bottom of the interface. This is where all exports are set up. In the render settings on the left, give your file a clear, memorable name and click Browse to choose a save location on your computer. Picking a dedicated folder for exports can save you time later and helps keep your projects organized. In the Render Settings panel at the top left, choose Custom Export. This option gives you full control, which is ideal when you're focusing on audio-only results. Now click the Video tab. Here's the key move. Uncheck Export Video. Turning this off tells Resolve to skip generating a video file entirely, ensuring you only export the audio portion of your timeline. If you leave this checked by mistake, you'll end up creating a video file when all you need is sound. With video export disabled, switch to the Audio tab right next to it. This is where you'll set your audio format. Choose the format that best fits your needs. MP3 is a compressed format that keeps file sizes small and is great for quick sharing or streaming. Wavy, listed as WAV, is uncompressed and preserves the highest quality, which is ideal for professional use, further editing, or archival. You'll also see additional options that may reflect your timeline settings. For many projects, the defaults work well, but choose the format based on your delivery requirements. When everything looks good, click Add to Render Queue at the bottom of the Settings panel. Your job will appear on the right side under the render queue, showing the name and destination you set. This confirms your audio-only export is properly configured and queued, ready for processing when you proceed. That's it. You launched Resolve, navigated to the Deliver page, selected Custom Export, disabled video, set your audio format, and added the job to the queue. Follow this process anytime you need a clean audio-only export from Davinci Resolve. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.